Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Huawei P30 series with HarmonyOS 2 is grabbing a new software update in China that brings several optimizations and bug fixes to enhance the user experience. Huawei P30 and P30 Pro smartphones have already received the stable HarmonyOS 2 update. Now, all the users in China can directly upgrade to new version that will arrive via OTA update. A few days ago, Huawei has announced a major feature update for its topmost flagship running on the new operating system. This update was initially started to roll out with the Huawei P40 series, which is now covering all the HMS-OS powered devices. According to the information, the new update for Huawei P30 series comes with HarmonyOS 2 version 2.0.0.165 upgraded from 2.0.0.135. The changelog mentions that the new control panel is now easily connected with Notification Center and allows the user to access both screens via swiping left and right. Furthermore, the camera watermark issue, which was unable to rotate in some situations, has been sorted out. Additionally, it brings optimization for display interface of control panel, the operation experience of drop-down status bar in the game scenario, as well as incorporate security patch to enhance the mobile phone system security. Moreover, according to the official information shared by Huawei, the HarmonyOS installation has reached over 50 million devices with a record speed of 8 users per second. However, the reach of HarmonyOS is currently limited to the Chinese market, while the company has not yet announced anything over its global release. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below or press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And for more information, don't forget to visit HC Newsroom.